Lovely parrot, green and bright, singing softly day and night. Fluffy feathers, beak so red, in her nest she makes her bed. Perched upon a leafy tree, chirping tunes so wild and free. Wings that shimmer, eyes so wide, a happy friend by our side. Flies around with joyful cheer, whispering secrets in our ear. Rainbow colors, bold and fair, spreading magic everywhere. Polly wants a cracker, please, says the parrot with such ease. She bobs her head and flaps around, making such a joyful sound. When the sun begins to set, lovely parrot's not done yet. Singing softly, low and sweet, she finds her dreams a lovely treat. Lovely parrot, bright and bold, with a heart of sparkling gold. In our hearts you'll always stay, singing songs in your own way.